Gavana wa kaunti ya Uasin Gishu Jackson Mandago agitongoria thirikari ya imwe ya kaunti iria ciahutirio muno ni ngahiha ici augite ndaiganire na kuhingurwo kwa macira ma ngahiha cia mwaka wa 2007 tondu kuringana nake maundu maya ni mariganire na andu magithie na mbere na miturire yao.
As the people of Uasin Gishu County, we are not ready for disruption of peace. Sisi kwa pamoja tuendelee kulinda hii amani ambayo tulipata. Some things are not worth reviving and weeping emotions, especially matters where communities have come together, forgiven one another and moved on.
Na ona gutuika munene wa ruhonge rwa DCI George Kinoti augite macira ma ngero ta ici matihingagwo. Mandago arauga giki ni kiuria kiagiriirwo ni gucokia gia gitumi kia DCI gweterera miaka 13 niguo gucokia cira uyu.
DCI was there 2007-2008, and therefore to make allegations that there are people who are involved and are walking free, then you are indicting the DCI itself for having failed to actually do their work that time.
Nake mubunge wa guthukio David Sankok uria urugamirire andu aria makoragwo na wathe augite kuhingurwo kwa macira maya kwahota gucungiriria andu kururumura maruru ma tene kumana na ngero iria ciahanikire hindi iyo.
I hope Bwana Kinoti, you will be able to interview all the victims, those who are chased away from Eldoret, those who are burned in their houses in Naivasha, those whose houses landlord were occupied by force in Kibera. I hope you will take into consideration and be non-partisan ili isikuwe unatumiwa na wanasiasa.
Sankok orete munene wa ruhonge rwa DCI George Kinoti na wabici yake memenyerere matigacokie rumena o ruria marenda kunina.
13 years later, reopening those wounds, I think Kinoti is wrong in reopening those wounds. Because even if you lose your child, you don't mourn and live in the grave for 13.
Andu 118 nio marandikithirie ndumiriri wabici-ini cia DCI o riri angi matanyitwo guthie na mbere na kwiyumiria kuheana wira. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Gathoni Wanjihia.